Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy and GMC's 99 to 2013 Silverado and Sierra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Locate the vehicle's rear crossmember. If equipped, there is a module on the driver's side. This will need to be disconnected and placed onto the new crossmember. Step 3. On top of the frame, mark where the original crossmember sits to keep track of alignment. Begin cutting the old crossmember from the frame. Step 4. Ensure to cut the welds on the frame rails to fully free the frame from the old crossmember. Step 5. Grind down the matting surfaces for the new crossmember to freely fit into the channel. Step 6. Insert the replacement crossmember into the frame, ensuring alignment is correct. Begin welding it to the frame. Step 7. On the replacement crossmember, there's a tab that holds the spare tire guide in place. This will need to be bent outwards if the guide is being reinstalled. And you're done.